I got a few minutes and I am driving to hand over to you a challenge, hoping that you can find the solution to it. I'm talking about few hundreds of Lebanese farmers. They are fruit and vegetable producers belonging to 5 different cooperatives that start to work together in order to improve their marketing access with the objective to increase the profitability and the resilience of their farming system. Please pay attention to what I'm telling you while I have to pay attention on driving, because this is for real, happening in this time of economic and health crisis, which is affecting Lebanon, but also many other countries in the world. On Monday, the last Monday, a shipment number 15 left Beirut airport with 3 tons of fresh products from Lebanon to the final destination of Dubai. We are all excited about what's going on in this first season of operation of fruit and vegetable network, and they did a lot of steps, but we know that there is a lot to do yet to improve the system. And here the challenge is served for you. During the season, many orders were not achieved. We couldn't accomplish because of the mismatch between the timing, quantity and quality required and what is available at the farmer's gate, despite the network is connected with many farmers. So the problem is that the network cannot commit in advance with the farmers to ensure them that they will market their products. But on the other side, they need the information on time and real information about the products available so they can make improved deals. From the other side, there are the farmers, and we know that when the product is ready at their field, they must harvest and sell as soon as possible because they are dealing with very perishable products. And this is the problem. The farmer cannot wait, but the network need to have proper information and products to make deals in a most effective way. We believe that an information and communication system can help the farmers from one side and the network from the other side to improve the organization and to make more deals happening. Sometimes it's really a matter of few days or a week. The order is coming, is a very good opportunity, but the product has gone. So this is for you. Please pay attention to another important aspect. Farmers are very sophisticated and complicated people. They like simple, effective, and very practical solutions. I hope that through your hard work you can help us to mitigate, to solve this problem, so more deals can happen within this amazing network. I thank you in advance on behalf of Jean-Paul II Foundation and of FAV, the Fruit and Vegetable Networks Lebanon. Thank you, and I come back to a proper attention while driving. Ciao!